Have you seen shit Somali people say?
WildNOut 2016.
Alright, brother, I've got a question for you. What's your name?
Chunks, man.
Chunks, where you from? London?
Yeah, I'm from London, Northwest London, yeah.
So what do you do, Chunks?
YouTube, just entertainment videos, pranks and shit like that, yeah.
Where can they find you?
On my socials, like Chunks_EN on Insta and Twitter, and then Chunks on YouTube.
Alright, Chunks, I've got a question for you, right, mate, yeah? Alright, cool. You got a little brother, yeah? He's younger than you, but he's managed to pull like a really good-looking girl, yeah? But this girl, you find out that she's not serious. She doesn't like him. She's just playing games with him. And this guy, he's in love. Like, this is like, he feels like this is the end, right? What do you do?
Oh, that's a tricky situation.
Do you mind your own business and not do anything, or?
My little brother.
Little brother.
I'm not having it. Come on, man. What's the stat about? Come on. No, I'm not having it. Obviously, I'm gonna. What's she doing? Like, what's she on?
All right, cool. She's seeing another guy. That's number one. Number two, she's keeping her options open. She's saying that, you know, she wants to get married and stuff, and she wants to take it to the next level, but she doesn't know if your brother's serious or not.
Nah, you can't make my brother take L's, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to update him, tell him what he's doing wrong, and then tell the girl scurrying it, you know, almost there. Come on, I can't have that, man. Yeah, I mean, come on.
All right, cool. Well, what if your brother turns around to you and says, you know what, nah, bruv, you're jealous in it, just because you're older than me and you didn't pull a ting, yeah, don't come with them talks to me, you're jealous.
Talking crud. Yeah. I'm leaving him. I'm leaving him. Obviously, I gave him the little insights, the older brother. He's gonna try to violate, man. Yeah, I'll send him, do your thing, and then obviously when he gets his heart broken and he's devastated, I'm at yard on my laptop, you know what I mean? Just saying, well, yeah, I'm not involved.
But what would you do if the girl turned around to you and said she was on you?
That's great. Now, I'm joking. No, I can't have that. Obviously, at the end of the day, she was on my brother and that. She's pit. Oh, wow. Yeah, I might have to finesse.
It's a Mariana thing.
Might have to finesse the brothers still, yeah.
You have to take.
Well, like, on a big man thing level, I'm not finessing no one. I'm gonna tell her, yo, she's a J-bag. She has to skirt. You know?
Skirt.
Yeah.
Skirt. I want you guys to really like take it in. You guys are WildNOut. This is predominantly a Somali event, right? So let me know what you guys think about Somali people here tonight and what you're expecting. Do you have Somali friends, by the way?
All my friends are Somali or Jamaican, to be honest. I'm from Halsden, so you can't miss us. But
just name some Somali words.
Bashal, my friend, Bashal. That's my favorite word, Bashal.
Bashal, yeah?
Yeah, that's my favorite word.
Have you had Baris yet in Hilib?
Yeah, my boy's wedding. Shout out to Eggy, man, just got married. Shout out to on his honeymoon and
Mashallah.
Yeah, but that shit Baris was banging.
So the nikah, you had the
Did I have that?
What do you think of the Somali galdem?
I'm not even gonna lie. What do I think of the Somali galdem?
You should have asked me.
Yeah. They're beautiful. You're all beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. The vibe here tonight is very nice. I feel very welcomed in. Everyone's just lovely. But yeah. You girls are beautiful. You women are beautiful.
I want to ask you now. Let's get real now. Right,
shit. Oh yeah. I just wanted the second what Zeke said. You're very beautiful, and I'm a humble brand. I'm a gentleman. So it's second what Zeke said. Really, still.
I love it, bro. This is gonna get you numbers. So, welcome to WildNOut.
Okay.
Right, what are you expecting?
Huh? I was not expecting this. I was expecting like less people, like so many people. It's like everyone together. Well, I'm so happy.
Yeah, no, that's good. All right, I want to ask you a question, right? And you have to answer it properly. Can you name 5 foods in Somali?
Food Somali? Yeah. Okay. Anjero, Bris, Basto, Sor, Machete.
Yes. All right. If you was to have like the best remix you've ever heard of all the latest Somali, I'll ask you an honest question. Do you listen to Somali music?
I don't.
All right. So if I mention to you like Farhiya Fiska,
Farhiya Kabayere, Dayahad al-Norsho, BK.
Okay. I heard BK is like the Drake of Somalia. Is that true?
Yeah, I'm excited to see Wallahi. Everyone, like, there's so many Somali YouTubers like Qasa, Prince Salad. Like, I'm so happy.
It's good. So are you excited to see the rest of the night? Yeah?
Yes, I'm really excited. That's why I'm in the first row.
I appreciate that. Nice to see you.
So I'm going to throw you completely off and I'm going to ask you a completely random question, yeah? What are your thoughts on Brexit?
Well, you have to ask that question again, Wallah.
What were your thoughts on Brexit? Britain leaving the EU.
What are the likeliness of you showing up to work tomorrow in a full gown like a dira?
I have no shame. I don't know how sure this, so I'll do it. Even though like it's not a shameful thing, anyways. But yeah.
It's good. It's a great way.
Yeah. I mean, I'd probably be breaking like uniform code and stuff, but.
What do you think of Donald Trump in America?
Fucking Muslim. Nah, I don't support that.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how fucked is their country now?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I don't support that, man. I don't support that. I feel sorry for them people. Shout out to American people, innit? Come to UK.
Shouts out to all of you lot in America going to Canada. Shouts out to all of you lot.
All of you lot, man. Welcome here, man.
What do you think about guys being hoes? Do you think guys can be hoes or not?
Personally, from what I think, guys can be hoes, but it all matters on how guys carry themselves. So from what I think, guys, they normally go for certain characteristics in girls. So as long as the girl carries themselves in a certain way, then guys will be interested. And they will be interested in the girl based on what they see the girl doing. So it all depends on how she carries herself, in all honesty.
So you guys want a good girl, but then you guys want to talk to like whoever you want to talk to.
That is true, but also considering the fact that we've got police in the background, but that's not really important right now. But guys in general, we normally go for a good girl that can at the same time...
Okay, but don't you think that's a bit hypocritical? Because these times you're like, yeah, I can talk to any girl I want, but you want someone that ain't chat to no one and she's sitting at home, waiting. That's like hypocritical. That's a double standard. Why is that allowed?
We are attracted to certain girls that are interesting. So as long as they can keep my attention, then I am going to be interested in that girl. That's how I take it. So if she can carry herself in a way that will keep my attention on her, then you know that I'm going to be calling her every night. That's how it goes, in all honesty. That's how I feel.
Okay, so what are you interested in? What kind of girl?
I like a girl that can be good on the streets, but bad on the sheets. That's how I like to take it. As long as she can keep it bad for me and good on the streets, then I'm good with her, do you know what I mean?
Okay, but are you going to marry that girl?
If she's good enough, then she will get the ring from me. You know how we do? As long as she's good, then she'll get the ring from Hardy Bugatti. You know how we do?
Real talk, yeah? Nikas. Nowadays, girls are asking for like 50k, 100k, a Lamborghini, like 2 mansions.
As well.
Yeah, of course. Why not? Bugatti, Lamborghini.
Ooh, yeah.
You got it. So what do you think is the limit? Where do you think the max should be?
Personally, I think the limit is £5,000. As long as the meher is £5,000, then I'm willing to pay that. But if it's anything more than that, then sister, you need to pay attention to what's going on right now. £5,000, that's more than enough. £3,000, understandable. Anything more than that, then you need to find yourself an Arab guy or something. Because Somali guys, the limit is £5,000 at the moment. You understand?
What would you think the current rate is? Like, what are guys like marrying girls now for?
Right now, honestly speaking,
What's the market rating right now?
I see Mahir's going for $3,000. Not even pounds, $3,000.
How much is that in pounds?
That's like £2,500, I think. Anything more than that, then you're getting a little bit agitated. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. Humble yourself.
How was your first time eating Somali food? Keep it 100.
Nah, his mum does cook for me though.
MashaAllah, Hoyas know how to cook, right?
Yeah, I know, trust me. Nah, it was good. But you know what? The portion was mad. The portion, loads on my plate.
And they keep it going and going and going and going and going.
Trust me.
So you're fed in a Somali. If you come to a Somali household, you know that you're fed.
Very well. Do you know what I've noticed, especially on social media, the way that people jump on and support. Like, obviously, I'm from a different background, and I've got friends from all different kind of backgrounds. But what I noticed with the Somali community is a kind of group. Like, as you can see, everyone's here to support one kind of event. And do you know what? And more Somali people have bought Heartbreak Candy than anyone else, you know? So that just shows, do you get what I'm saying? The support that they're showing each other, and also to me as well as inclusive, do you get me?
I love that brotherhood. Do you know what I mean? Hard Rock Candy, and I'll be rocking it as well.
Love. You just showed me your Instagram now as well. It's popping, broski.
I'm growing, man. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, brother. Thank you. How about that?
Brother, well, it's all love, and I hope you guys grow. And yeah, where can they find you? Let them know.
Instagram, Heartbreak Candy. Twitter, Heartbreak CC. Inquiries, heartbreakcc@gmail.com.
All right, Max, I got a question for you, yeah? Would you consider marrying a Somali girl?
Brother, I'm already a married man, but if I wasn't, I was saying it to him earlier, most definitely. But I'm a married man. I've got a light-skinned beauty.
Oh, mashallah. No, it's good. I wish you all the best. What's the main difference between girls that grew up in Somalia and the girls that grew up in Europe or America?
Well, like girls that grow up in Somalia, mashallah, well, like they know what's going on in their heads. They know the important thing is to look after your family, look after your relatives, look after your children, and then People that grow up in UK, they want to go on holidays, they want to fly away, fly away. We can't do that. You need to chill, look after your family, look after your children, and, you know, work hard, you know what I mean?
What if some women in today's society said that sounded a little bit misogynistic? That it sounded like the traditional old way or the Somali way where guys run the world, like they run the house, they run everything, and the girls are like secondary or the caregivers and like they take care of the home, and that's their role. Like they don't need to be working and getting this independent money.
Personally, what I believe and what I think is that it's 2016. So seeing as it's 2016, women and men are more or less equal. I understand that men need to work and women stay at home, but nowadays you've got women going to university, we've got women studying hard.
What do you think about that?
They deserve to go and work as well, bring some money into the household, you know, it's understandable. And from there, we believe that they just need to work together. It's a team. Men and women, we're working as a team. So,
what are the successful ingredients for a successful marriage, inshallah?
Compromise. We need to compromise, work hard together. We're a team. So whatever our surname is, we need to work hard to make that surname on top. That's what I believe.
I respect that, mashallah. Are you a family man?
Yeah, absolutely. I love my family. Shout out my family. That's how we do.
I like that, mashallah. Thank you so much. Where can we find you?
Hardy Bugatti at Instagram. On Twitter is the only Hardy.
Look, Hoya would say Adam. I'd say Adam. You know how it is.
No, I respect that, Adam. You look familiar, bruv.
Yeah, I think you had me in one of their Keek videos back in the
Somali Keek Nation.
Somali Keek Nation, back in the day.
Season 1, I believe, episode 4. Bruv.
That was years back, man, years back. You know, it was just freestyling on the Keek. A few people saw the videos and then it just kind of went viral from there.
That's it, that's the way it goes. Bro, listen, I see your stuff. You're amazing. Mashallah, you're very talented. You have a clothing line.
Heartbreak Candy Clothing. So it's like some of the jackets, shirts, the caps. I've set up a little stall here. At the WildNOut event. So yeah, check it out, please. Heartbreak Candy Clothing.
Definitely, most definitely. I'm an actor, right? And I go to events, I do photo shoots, I have a portfolio. So if I want to be like photographed in your outfits and stuff, who's your PR?
Bro, I'm at the moment where I'm just kind of starting up. So everything that needs to be dealt with, from designs, PR, marketing, everything's done between myself and my partner.
So do you think there's an opportunity for a Somali guy like myself to lead your campaign?
Yeah, no doubt.
Putting you on the spot.
We'll sort something out. We'll get you in something.
Now, I got bone structure.
Sorry?
I got bone structure.
Yeah?
Shall I show you how I accentuate it?
Yeah. Let's see this. Oh, you bite the cheeks?
Yeah, you bite it, and then it just gives you that. And I could do the chin as well.
Yeah, I think the jawline's sitting behind the beard, isn't it? It's in there somewhere.
You gotta. And we are at WildNOut London, where the predominantly coolest Somalis existed in London have come together to throw this event. It's gonna be interesting. I'm here with one of the coordinators of the night.
Yeah. Hi. My name's Roqaya. So yeah, everything's going fine at the minute. Like crowds being calm. That's my job. Yeah, just control the crowd. Yeah.
So it's crowd control. Okay. So what kind of guests do you feel like are gonna come tonight?
Is Beyonce coming?
I heard she is. And Rihanna too.
Hey, it is lit.
I feel like it's a Rock Nation party.
Yeah. Cool.
It's gonna be really, really dope.
Yeah, it definitely is either way. But no, Beyonce would definitely make this like 100% better.
She'd kill it. And I feel like her doing Haredi Dakhanka dance. Imagine Beyonce doing Barambaro Nico.
Yeah, my life would be complete. I'm just saying, yeah.
She's gonna be like, she's not gonna twerk, she's gonna do the Nico.
MashaAllah.
So you obviously are at this event, you're promoting your stuff. Yep. How was it getting into fashion?
To be fair, like it was kind of, we just kind of fell into it. Like me, along with my partner there, Max, who's sitting there. We just kind of.
You're right, Max.
My partner Max. We was just kind of, we wanted to do something just sort of as a hobby. When we're both kind of swaggy kids as well, we always had our own little style. So we just sat down, put some ideas together, and then the rest is history. We just kind of started off with some shirts, jumpers, and then it flew from there. It's 2014, so in January it's going to be 3 years going.
That's amazing. Did you guys come from any fashion sort of background?
No, not necessarily. We were both youth workers originally. So yeah, the fashion thing started off as a hobby, but it's just kind of, we're both motivated to keep it cracking.
That is amazing. Just to let you know, I did fashion and textiles at uni for a year. If you need any help, holler me in it.
It will definitely sort something out.
Okay. Do you think there's like a double standard in girls wearing hadid dakhanka, like guntina and stuff in culture?
Yeah, no, I definitely say that just because I feel like if you add like a Western touch to certain clothing, then it becomes like an issue.
It's like music, right?
It's like music. It's like Somali music's not haram, but then
real music is.
Exactly. But nah, I think we're gonna break that like generation to generation.
This event is gonna be mad, isn't it? It's gonna be mad.
It's called Somali WildNOut, but it's almost like Somali's Got Talent. Because
Are you gonna be on there?
who me? I'm more in the back. I'm more in the backseat kind of guy. But there's loads of good, great people performing, so it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit.
Dank Sinatra.
Michael Hyson or Zeke's.
Yeah, we're both rappers. We support a team called TCO.
Was it easy finding your sound?
To be honest, our sound hasn't been like discovered or like chosen yet. Like Zeke's has dominated the trap game. So sort of like in terms of an English rapper that can do trap, Zeke's has got that. I got like the Mac Miller vibe. We both got a Wiz Khalifa vibe. So finding one sound to define is still a process right now. 2017 looks like a defining year, but right now it's just music for the people right now, man.
Do you prefer writing in studio or do you prefer writing like in random places?
It's nice to write in random places because you can get a lot of different stuff out. Say in my room, for example, I find being in my room all the time, I can't really get anything out. I feel enclosed all the time. Getting out and getting inspiration from different places I find that a very good way to write music. A very good way.
If you was to collaborate with one artist right now, who would it be? I'll give you two. I'll make it easy for you. I'll give you two artists.
Secretly, right now, like today, P Money and Drake.
P Money's cool.
Like P Money and Drake, cause P Money's got that. Was it Conspiracy Dawn? Conspiracy Dawn. That tune that got me hyped today. And Drake, cause we got the same eyebrow fit.
Have you heard? It's a good one. Have you heard of P Money single words?
Yeah, actually, on
yeah.
Computing, isn't it?
It's crazy, crazy. Like the levels, it's intense.
He's from the same ends, like for himself.
For real?
Yeah, like I can't. Like I know P Money, so no, not sort of. Like I used to live above him. We used to live in the same blocks, so I just hear him make music from like '99, 2000. You know what I'm saying? So he's been going at it for a long time. But he's a.
Guys, question though, did you guys think that it's a hit that makes a band buzz, or do you feel like it's like consistency, going to events, going to free shows, going to bars, going to festivals, going to like pizza shops, anywhere and everywhere that you can get in, or do you feel like you need that one buzz track with a record label and some little advance push money? I'm gonna start with you.
I think it's consistency. Consistency is the key, but I'm not gonna lie, a banger's a banger. So if you got something that's gonna put you on the map and then you can get the work rate out through that, then you won. But if you're just an underground artist like myself, I feel like my work rate will shine before a banger will shine for me, for example. So for me, it's consistency.
Consistency. What about yourself?
I'd say definitely consistency, 100%. But look, if you look at stuff like Link Up and like Grime Daily and stuff, people are just putting out one track for about, let's say, like 6 months or whatever, and then they won't drop a next track, but they're still getting hundreds and thousands of views. You know what I'm saying? So, but I feel like it's consistency. But if you do have that one banger there, and you can make it blow, you can do it right.
I like that.
But they don't know what I'll do for this money. Fam, I used to skip school for this money. Fam, I'm like a tom-tom on the road to this money. I need so much money, like I don't know what to do with this money. True. I just wanna buy a Max for me and my niggas. I need a house on the hill for me and my hitters. I want smoke good. Man, spazzing. Say listen. Oh, Lord.